Did you know that nearly 70% of home buyers face unexpected costs after moving in? Hidden repair bills, skyrocketing property taxes, and surprise maintenance fees can turn your dream home into a financial nightmare. Today, I'm revealing the biggest red flags to watch for when you're touring a home so you don't get stuck with costly surprises. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, a Chicago real estate expert helping homeowners and buyers navigate the market. If you're out touring homes, you need to know exactly what to look for to avoid hidden repair costs and financial headaches. In this video, I'll walk you through the red flags that could signal big problems. So let's jump in. Most buyers focus on the purchase price and mortgage payment, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Homeownership comes with unexpected expenses that can add thousands to your budget if you're not careful. For example, you might think you're getting a great deal until you realize the roof needs replacing, the foundation has cracks, or the HVAC system is on its last legs. And that's before you even factor in closing costs, property taxes, maintenance fees. So, what should you be looking for when touring a home? Here are the biggest red flags that most buyers miss. First one, water damage and mold. Check ceilings, walls, basements for stains or musty smells. Water damage usually equals big repair bills. Second, cracks in the foundation. Hairline cracks might be okay, but a wide or shifting cracks could mean costly structural repairs. The third thing, old roof or HVAC system. A new roof could cost 10 to 20,000 and replacing an old furnace isn't cheap either. Outdated electrical and plumbing. Older homes with outdated systems may need expensive rewiring or pipe replacements. Fifth, neighborhood and property taxes. A home might seem affordable, but high property taxes can eat up your budget fast. Let me tell you about a buyer I recently worked with. They were thrilled to find a home in their budget. But after the inspection, we uncovered major plumbing issues and had a faulty foundation. Had they skipped the home inspection, they would have been on the hook for over $30,000 in repairs. Luckily, they did a home inspection. They wound up backing out in time, and we found them a much better home. But this is why you have to pay attention during a home tour, because once you sign, these problems become your problems. So remember, don't just fall in love with how a home looks. You have to look beyond the surface and watch out for these red flags. Water damage, foundation cracks, outdated systems, and hidden costs like property taxes and maintenance fees. Have you ever faced unexpected home expenses? Drop your experience in the comments below. And if you want more expert home buying tips, check out my other videos. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for new real estate advice every week. And I hope to see you next time.